was talking about this arrow back then. It's pointing its arrow in this direction. That means there's a vase over there for everyone to use.
Or you want to eat? Anything is fine. I want to drink. I don't want to eat.
Yeah, even I want to drink.
Then we'll try to get inside Spartan and see what will happen.
It's the first time I'm drinking in front of my sister, so she doesn't know how much I can
No,
drink.
it's not the first time.
She wants to see
Yes,
how much I
it's
can
not
drink.
the first time.
It is.
I dare you to drink 3 mugs today.
Oh, I can easily drink 3 mugs.
Huh?
Yeah.
You can
I've done
easily
it before.
drink.
I've drunk more than 3
Then
mugs.
you're supposed to come home alone by yourself.
Liter, buddy.
Sure, I don't
Huh?
mind.
Sure, huh?
Liter. It's not like a
Confidence,
normal,
Yeah,
like
2 more mugs.
Overconfidence, a loud neck.
1 mug
2
is
more.
1 liter.
2 more. You have not seen me drink, brother.
Age difference. When you're young, you're confident.
You have missed this gazelle.
ಕೊಡಿಯೋ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ಬಾಬಾ ಹೋಗೋ ಹೋಗೋ ನಾ ಬಿಡು
ಬಾಣ್ಸೋಡಿ
Huh?
ರಾಮಾಯಣ್ ಬಾಣ್ಸೋಡಿ ಅದು ಮುಡರಬ್ಬು ನಾವು ತೋರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ
Ah, nice. It's a lot quieter now, guys. It's a lot better to vlog around. Let's go to Sparta and see how it is. Oh, there's a pig. They're grilling over there. Go ahead, Miguel Otrich. Yeah. Good. Let's go. The Spartan tent, they were like, this one is full, so you can't get in anymore. We're going to go to some other tents now and see if we are able to get in. What do you guys get?
ಸ್ಕಿಬ್ರಾಟನ ಮಂಡ್
What's that?
ಕಡಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರೈಡ್ ಆಲ್ಮಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕಡಲೆ
Kadle. Kadle is the right word for this.
ಜರ್ಮನ್ ಕಡಲೆ
It is not kadle, it's badam.
No, you only have 32% battery. Night is going to be long. Save it.
I have 2 more batteries.
Don't tell them. Not fish.
Yeah. How many are we going to drink now, though?
One more? Me.
How many ever your sister lets you drink?
How
Me
many?
and Ashik are going to drink one more. You are going to drink 3 more.
2 more. He said about having 3 beers, right? Yeah, but this looks more beautiful at night. I think everything happened for a reason. In the morning when we just arrived here, or in the afternoon, it was not looking that great actually. Inside the tents, obviously, it's a different atmosphere and it's really cool.
Yes. Even if we came in the morning, we would have stayed here till evening. So I think it's better, but yeah, doesn't matter.
Okay, so I'm happy. And the time we had at the Paulaner tent was also really nice. We're sitting at the Augustina stall now, but it's outside. It's not inside the beer tent, it's outside. Second beer of the night. This is 1 liter mugs, guys. These are called Mass in Deutsch. This one is the Augustiner one. Let's see how this one is compared to the Paulaner one. I think it's a little bit better. But I've had the Augustiner Weiss beer before. That's one of the best beers I've ever had in my life. These are specifically brewed for the Oktoberfest in original quality. And let's also get something to eat over here. It's a bit cold, so I'm wearing the jacket now. Augustiner is coming! So we're going to start with some what was it?
Who knows each other better?
Who knows each other better questions? Let's do this. Let's go. Woo!
What's Ashwin's favorite color?
Hey.
I don't have a favorite color.
Yeah, I normally does not have. But then I thought, whatever you have in that, which you like.
What would you prefer the most?
Yeah, gray we can give if we are speaking about clothes. Yeah.
+1.
What's Saumia's favorite color?
Green.
Oh,
She always buys me green clothes.
so people are used to getting their own tips here. If your bill amount is 45, they'll take 50 and be like, single Dora. Okay, that's how it works here. But it's good. Everyone is high and everyone is allowed to do that.
Continue our game.
What?
We want to continue our game.
You have to raise your hand if you think you're better than the other, like your spouse.
Okay.
Who is more punctual? Who do you think is more flirtatious? So if you think you are more,
In comparison.
who is more romantic?
Who plans date nights?
Every day is a date night.
Every day.
Every day is a date night is the word, guys. Everybody, come on.
Describe Soumya's strengths in like 3 words.
Kind, patient, sweet.
Kind, patient, and sweet.
पूरा जना सकता है, so telling the whole world.
Either you guys have to say it a little bit louder, or I have to repeat what you guys said. Okay, 3 words about your partner.
Last time they told them it's my birthday, and then they, okay. So 3 things about my husband: loving,
Loving,
caring,
caring, loving, and caring.
Weird.
weird.
Loving, caring,
And
and
weird.
weird. That's weird.
I suggested.
So that you yourself better.
To be Su Yang. Su Yung.
Do you?
Yeah.
That's been really twice. The GoPro is in the hands of Ashwikua now. Ashwikua.
Actually enjoying.
You have to be louder, you have to be louder.
I have to be louder is what he's saying.
Yeah.
And what I was saying is that I am enjoying filming.
You are enjoying filming?
Yeah.
He's enjoying filming more than me, guys.
That I didn't say. He added the more than me part.
They can't hear you. They can't hear you. You have
Sorry
to be
guys,
louder.
you can't hear me.
I don't see myself.
Why are you so silent?
I am always silent.
Okay.
Vartamal. Prostora.
Ashik, how about we call Kajol now?
Kajal. Let's call Kajal. Let's call
Stop
her.
it. Should not disturb people.
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಆಫೀಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸಾಕು 2 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಸಾಕು
2 minutes ಇಲ್ಲ.
2 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ನೀ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಬಾರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. Where is my GDPR form?
kind GDPR es gibt kein Datenschutz
Escape, Escos.
es gibt kein are you also okay being in the video
Where is your check?
kein check ich bekomme kein Geld für diese Videos
Du bekommst Milliarden Euro von
noch
YouTube.
nicht vielleicht in der Zukunft aber noch nicht
Dann, wenn du 2 Milliarden Euro bekommst, dann gibst du mir 1,5 Million Euro.
1,5 warum
Ja, ich bin ein Celebrity. Aus München.
du willst ein Celebrity sein wenn du deine Frau rufst
Nein, ich bin immer ein Celebrity.
nein
Die beste Celebrity der Welt.
let's go come on
ఇంత విషయం
Gut, sehr gut. Gut.
पण आता तप्पीचं स्थळ निघून
ಫ್ಲಾಶ್ ಅಮ್ಮಣ್ಣ ಹಂಚುವ ಮಾತ್ರ
नाही फ्लाश म्हणा बाटली
ಅಕ್ಕ ಮಾಸ್ ಮಾತು ಮುಂಚು
ग्लास म्हणची
ಮಾಸ್
ग्लास
ಮಾಸ್
ग्लास
mass. What I'm thinking is, I'll ask the guy who's bartending us if he can take this glass home. I would really love it if I could take this home as a memory for my first Oktoberfest ever. I'm going to tell him this. Let's see how he reacts. Let's see if he allows us to do this in the first place. Oh man, I lost my voice. Yeah, no. No kind. Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo.
Last year I second.
I've seen it.
Guys.
Wait. टेबल है वही रब डांस करता है ब्लॉगिंग
This is Pradyumna, guys. Pradyumna, no?
वही
This is AKB's cousin, maybe.
वही
This is Ashwin's cousin, guys. Do you want to say anything to the vlog? To the YouTube community?
अक्टूबर फेस्ट एंजॉय करे ची
No,
वही
best, man. Best. This is the best thing I've ever been in Germany. Crazy atmosphere. Which stalls did you go to?
went to Kofles.
Mufflers.
Yeah.
How was it?
Sehr gut.
Sehr gut, oder? Seit wann bist du in Deutschland?
Seit 5 Jahren.
Bist du Deutsch? Gut Deutsch?
Ja, gut Deutsch sprechen.
Ja.
Ja, B2.
Jetzt wo?
Ich habe B2 Prüfung bestanden.
तो मिकल फ्रेंड आता बियर आडताल मिकल फ्रेंड आगेला
वही
This is the first time I have ever met someone who speaks Konkani. Okay, when we are both are drunk. It's crazy. So you came here after 6 months. There was COVID. Right? How did you feel? Like away from home and all this bullshit going on in the world. How did you feel?
Honestly, it did not make a difference. Only thing that made the difference was toilet papers are not available anymore.
Love you, man. Love you. Crazy. I'm I can't believe that the GoPro captures all of this so beautifully, man. So beautiful. It's so crazy. This is my new friend Pradyumna, and we match at another level, man. Another level. This guy's crazy. I love that guy. Yo, yeah. Everything. You too. Have a nice day. Take care. I hope you have an amazing time tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, man. Yes. Bye. See you. Take care.
Unfortunately flew away.
Oh, really?
Yeah, all we got was this.
Oh, what's your name?
Jay.
Do you want to be on my YouTube video?
YouTube video.
Yeah, I mean I can just.
He's an influencer, huh?
Woo! What's your name?
Jarish.
Okay. These guys got SpongeBob for me, man.
Yeah.
So not SpongeBob, Patrick.
Patrick for us.
SpongeBob flew away apparently.
Exactly, yeah.
Crazy. What's your name?
Hi, Dashrath.
Dashrath. Okay. Nice to meet you, Dashrath.
Nice to meet you too.
बाकी टॉप पी देखो एक मिनट. Man, one of my Indian friends gave me this Patrick. I don't know where he is now. They've probably gone to the washroom, and I feel responsible for losing him now. I just want to leave him free in the air, but I can't do that. So let's see. Come on everybody, this is Oktoberfest. No one gives a shit. I'm just waiting for those people to come. Yeah! Hey! They've packed everything up. The tables are all gone now. No one's allowed to sit anymore. We're supposed to go outside. The Oktoberfest is officially over for today. We are not going to come any other day here again. The Oktoberfest was one of the best experiences in Germany, for sure, no doubt about it.
Exactly. The place in Munich is really nice. Who are watching this? You have to visit Munich and you need to enjoy the Oktoberfest in Munich.
It's crazy.
If not, you're losing something in your life, okay?
Exactly.
Yes.
By the way, this hat that I wore before.
Oh, yes.
This is from this guy. What's your name again? I forgot.
Pritam.
Pritam.
Oh, Oktoberfest, guys, Oktoberfest.
Pritam gave me this hat for the picture, guys. So grateful to him for everything.
No worries, Satvik is my friend. He's really nice guy. Guys, if you're watching this, please do follow him. Subscribe to this.
Yes,
subscribe
exactly.
to his channel.
Yeah.
And then, yeah.
It's on.
Okay, fine then. So, also watch all his videos. It will be really helpful for you guys if you're planning to come to Munich
Exactly.
or to study here in Germany. This is a channel to watch. Okay.
Man, you are
Super.
crazy.
Nice. Satvik. It was nice.
This was
meeting
my
you.
first time at Oktoberfest. How many times have you been before?
This is my third time.
Third time at Oktoberfest.
You know, guys, like the first time I came, I think it was in 2020. Oh fuck, this is 24.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So it was in 2022, and that was exactly after COVID. Yeah. And that was the first time that I also visited Oktoberfest, and me and my friend, we gave an interview in DW. So they asked me like,
Wow, really?
yeah. I
Is
think
your
like
video on YouTube already?
might be. I think yes it is, because like I did watch my video there, and they did ask us like how do you feel like being in Oktoberfest, like do you feel safe, because this is the first time that after because how to say, like the Oktoberfest is happening after COVID or something like that.
Okay.
And I mean, like me and my friends, like when we came here for the first time there, it was really nice.
Okay.
It was the first time that we experienced as well.
Yeah.
With a group of friends and so on.
Yeah.
It was the best.
Man, this is my first time at
So-
Oktoberfest. This has been the craziest experience
Yes.
ever. People like these I've met from all over the world, guys. People from France, people from Portugal, people from India itself. Far relatives as well, maybe at some point. But this is one of the craziest things I've done in Germany. I've been to Berlin, Munich before, but Oktoberfest is the real deal, guys. I've lost my voice already, but it's completely worth every single loss of voice.
Yes,
This
guys,
event.
who are watching this, please come to Oktoberfest.
Yes.
Have your fun.
Yes,
Have the nice time.
We are
I'm
by-
very much sure this will be the best time of your life.
exactly. And we are at the Augustiner tent now. We are outside. We didn't find any place inside. After 5 o'clock, you can't get inside. Actually, you just can't sit outside when the free on the.
The best time to
free places.
visit is like at around 10 or 11 p.m. in sorry, not
AM,
p.m.
AM,
It's
AM.
11 a.m. in the morning.
Morning, yes.
And then you just have to get in,
And
speak
just
to
take
some
your
waitress,
seat and just sit there.
take
for-
your table, have your drink, have your food,
Yeah.
enjoy your time.
Exactly. But today I have my utmost respect for Paulaner, man. They let us in. They let us sit at the area where the music was and everything else, and we had an amazing time at the
And,
Paulaner.
and also you can visit Spartan. Spartan is also
yes.
a place like where you get table very easily.
Awesome.
Because I think Augustiner, like, it's a bit difficult to get in.
And Augustiner,
I'm sorry
right?
for being a bit drunk.
It's Oktoberfest, guys. Everything is allowed here, okay? Not
And
for
thanks,
Weiss beer.
Patrick. Thanks
No
to you
problem.
for managing this stuff.
No problem, man. No problem at all.
Done.
Yes, amazing. See you
Super.
guys. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
See you guys.
Signing off. Like again.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
Yes, let's go, guys. Come on.
Hey, do you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah. Oh, come on.
Guys, if you're watching this, please do follow him. Subscribe to this.
Yes,
subscribe
exactly.
to his channel.
Yeah. Follow,
your
subscribe
name?
now. Subscribe now. It's my name. It's just my name.
He's a million follower Instagram. It's a gold water. Don't waste it.
Good
Gold
evening,
water.
Macha.
Paulaner, sorry, Augustiner gold water, guys.
Hey, sorry, Satvik. Like it's SHE.
NOY. Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
subsection I.
Ah, 347. Let's go.
Oh, fine.
348th one right here.
Yes, I'm the 348 one. Hey,
348. You want to be the 348th one?
349th one is.
Oh, you are 348. Okay, okay.
I was a 348.
Okay, awesome.
I'll also share it with my friends.
Cool, man.
Beer.
Subsection I.
YouTube
Instagram. LinkedIn open ಮಾಡು LinkedIn.
Instagram
YouTube correct ಇದೆ brother.
YouTube ಮಾಡು.
what Satvik
ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ.
Subsection I.
One more subscriber, guys, right here. Yes, ಹೌದು. Let's go. 349.
Yes.
It's going to be a long time before I upload this video. Because I still have 6 months of pending videos to be posted.
Whatever it is, do it. Have fun.
Yes, you too, man. Yeah. Ashik, have you already subscribed?
No, I will.
You'll subscribe later.
Definitely.
I will Allah. You have to now.
I will
no.
be.
Now.
I will
No,
be
no.
the 1 million
No,
subscriber.
no,
Now.
no, 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 no.
Macha, now I was 348.
349.
350 ಮಾಡು.
350. I will do it.
ಮಾಡು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡು.
ಈಗ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀನು.
ಈಗಲೇ
ಈಗಲೇ.
Tell me, what is your
Yes, SITBIK.
SI?
S80.
SAT Macha.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah.
Yay!
You cheated me. I'm still like 349.
Go in. Refresh.
Hey, you will be the
refresh once.
350th.
I think it's 350 only.
No, I'm 349. I
Refresh.
can't be 349.
Refresh.
I
Oh,
can't
come
be.
on, man. Come
Okay, okay.
Hey, ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದು ದರಿದ್ರ
6% ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಇದೆ ಮಚ್ಚ ನೀ ಏನು
It's okay.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಚ್ಚ ಇದು?
349,
ಏಯ್,
good enough.
ಆ ಫೋನ್ ಇದು ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇಡ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇಡ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಅದು.
It's okay, guys. And man, another shout out to this guy right here, Pradyumna. He's on a call actually, but I don't care, man. At this point,
What's up, man?
He's crazy. One more shout out to this guy before we end this video. Crazy. This is Ashik, by the way. What do you want to say to the community, man?
Follow him.
I think we have 349 subscribers.
Really?
Be the 350th one. Subscribe now. SHU type, it will come. It came. Hey, 349, 350, 350. Make it 350, make it. Going. Going. Show 350. Let's go, man. Pradyumna is a special person, very special person, and he has got the opportunity to be my 350th
subscriber.
Crazy, man.
Yeah.
They're not letting anyone in again. They're just throwing everyone out. Where are these guys? We need to find everyone now. They just left without us. Hey!
Maini.
Yes, sir. What's better than getting a bottle opener and a beer mug with a magnet on that you could put on any fridge for 6 euros at the Oktoberfest itself? Crazy! Was möchtest du sagen?
Ja, also, wir haben einen schönen Abend gehabt.
Ja,
Wie war dein erster Oktoberfest?
ja, super. Das ist das tollste Ding, das ich in Deutschland gemacht habe.
Was hast du gesagt?
Tollste Ding, das ich in Deutschland gemacht habe.
Also, ja, das ist wirklich Spaß. See,
Pradyumna in the house, everyone.
We are not very often on the video. Today we are. Do you think we can go to Neuschwanstein tomorrow?
Of course. Why not?
Do you want to join us?
Neuschwanstein. Consummate.
But a very good place to visit. Definitely must visit in Germany.
Have you been there already?
Yeah.
Where? See, mature people are worried.
Louder. They can't hear you.
See, the camera isn't. wasn't-
Louder.
Okay, we need to speak louder, is what he's saying.
Louder.
Not louder. Okay.
Louder.
See, mature people are worried where the other people are.
Exactly.
Mature person, number one.
Number 2.
Left side of the entrance. Yeah.
Left side of the entrance is what she is saying. The question is, it's really fun to record, don't you think? I think I will also buy a GoPro. Hello. Where is it? I got to show you. Okay, what are we doing?
Yeah, I need royalty from every YouTube video.
Okay, guys. See you later. Bye.
Come on, you know how to. Come on, Satvik. Reload kari to ashe. Kella. Satvik. Reload kari. तीन एक्सिलरी आवाज दोन करता
Yeah, ಎಲ್ಲ center and other Actually, last time you got
For sure. For
heads and
hard. Or what?
Okay, brother.
All good. Yeah.
See you. Bye.
See you.
Take care. We got some currywurst. at the Münchner Schuben. Really nice. I got a cut on my finger while I was doing the shooting thing, and it's dried up now. There was just a small cut, but there's some blood on my finger, and it's dried up now, so it won't clean again. Currywurst is really nice. And there's broken and stuff. Crazy stuff. One of the best things I've done after I've come to Germany. Right behind me is a ride called Fall. It goes all the way up there and then they drop down. It's pretty amazing. I would never be able to do something like that. It's crazy. Oh! Oh man, that ride I would never be able to do, especially after the Columbus ride in Pondicherry. Look at that, look at them go. Oh man, crazy. That's pretty crazy stuff as well. Like these rides and some ghost towns or something like that. It's called Schloss, it's like Katzel in German. Yeah, it's always not enough time to cover everything. You will need multiple days to actually go through everything and be able to enjoy all the things that they have at Oktoberfest. Theresian Wiese, this is where all the magic happens. For 2 weeks or 3 weeks in Munich, Germany. Oh no. We took a further ride.
Wait, what happened?
Blur, no? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ blur ಆಯ್ತು. How? Maybe I didn't know. ಇವತ್ತು ತೆಗಿಯೋದು ಅದು.
It's pretty good. It has that Oktoberfest ride.
No, I'm serious. Let's try one more.
Just reached home successfully, and now I can show you my first ever Oktoberfest. I wanted it to be really memorable, and I needed to get something to remember this first really wonderful Oktoberfest by. So we have the Augustiner beer mass as our souvenir from this trip, along with one more €6 souvenir that we got, which is also a bottle opener, a small sized Augustiner beer bottle opener. But this one here is priceless. See you in the next video.